Valley Church vandalized during the holidays. Early yesterday morning was the Serbian Orthodox Church's Christmas Eve, and that would make today Christmas Day. Celeste Rodriguez spoke with a parishioner about all the vandalism.
Imagine the shock for parishioners at the Serbian Orthodox Church in North Phoenix when they show up on their Christmas Eve, and this is what they find.
These are symbols from the Croatian fascist party. They're called the Ustashi. And the U stands for Ustashi, and then they have the Latin cross. It's like all that right-wing stuff that's going on in Europe right now, all the fascism, all the racism, the xenophobia, and somebody's bringing it here.
The markings evoke feelings of fear and anger. Nearly 85% of the parishioners at St. Nicholas Serbian Orthodox Church escaped as refugees during the ethnic cleansing in the Yugoslavia in the 1990s. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich, who is of Serbian descent, has offered to help with the investigation.
To have vandalism on that day, I think, is extra disgusting. I think this was especially disgusting because this is the Orthodox Christmas.
It's bringing back bad memories, and they're afraid, you know. Usually something like this happens, and it's usually followed up by either burning the place down or bombing it or, you know, some kind of terrorism, and they're just terrified.
Their prayer on this Orthodox Christmas: justice. Celeste Rodriguez, Fox